The Association for Wholesaling Diversity was founded with a singular focus: find all Black wholesalers in the financial services industry, every firm, every channel, every product, and bring them together because we're stronger together. Since that community has been built and strengthened, we now develop the members of that community to be more exceptional at what they do. We help the members advance to move up the scale of management and compensation. We recruit more Black students and professionals and career changers into that community. That's what AWD is: community development, advancement, and recruiting for Black financial services wholesalers.
There's such great energy here at the AWD conference. Like last night, I just picked it up. I went for a moment at the dinner and everybody is so excited. Rode the elevator with somebody who said that he was having such a fantastic time. I love that. You could feel the fact that everybody here has such a growth mindset. They really want to improve and want to do better. If I were to sum up the conference in one word, it would be energetic and purposeful. It's 2 words.
See, some of y'all in here, you're looking for a new skill so you can go out and make more money. That's cool, right? But I need you to understand there's a hidden skill that many of us don't learn whenever we're in a profession, and that's the skill of working on ourselves. Because there's a lot of people in here that are broken in the inside, and you're trying to wonder how you can't go from 100 or 200K to $1 million.
You've changed the dynamic of the way that individual looks at you. Because now they know what? You care enough about them to do what? Could be the CEO of the company. When I was interviewing for this last role, I asked the CEO, how can I help you? No one's ever asked me that. You're gonna stand out.
And when you don't have the awareness, and when you're not accountable of what you should be doing, and who you should be, what happens is you're not able to go to that next level as a professional.
My name is Ashley Golson. I'm from Nashville, Tennessee, and I work with Jackson National. If I had to describe AWD and the conference in one word, I would say uplifting. Everything that we do, it can be hard, and to see so many people of color encouraging each other. The most memorable moment, I don't know if I can narrow it down to one, the women's retreat. I have been wholesaling for over 16 years, and to have a space with Black females has been amazing. The other memorable moment was today, Randy Cox, him talking about different moments within his career and how it's impacted the way in which he leads people and does business. I resonated because the story is very similar to mine.
Well, so far, I've got an opportunity to learn so much about the industry, but most important, I got a chance to connect and build relationships with a lot of people here. And even more important is I'm gonna stay connected with the people that I met. And I think what people should know is this is an industry that's wide open for folks who are looking to get into the financial industry. They need to be here at this conference next year. And the nominees for the Snow Marlinson Ally of the Year Award, which is presented to our most impactful non-member. The nominees are...
My name is CJ De Solonel. I am from Nashville, Tennessee. I work for Corebridge Financial for the Transactional Markets Group. This is not my first time at AWD, this is my second conference. Let me tell you what I love about AWD. It has lit a fire in me. Last year when I was invited to come, I knew it was gonna be dope because we are just dope people. But I left the conference knowing that I was going to do and be better. And I'm happy to say, January of this year, I took on the regional wholesaler position at Corebridge Financial. And I thank AWD for that opportunity.
Thank you for coming to this year's assembly. We look forward to seeing you next year, and when we see you next year, we expect you to be making more money and be better off as a result of your attendance this year. My name is Marlone Hall, founder and president of the Association for Wholesaling Diversity, AWD.